Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start exercise 2.1 in that question number 1 of chapter 2. Hope you all have gone through the first introductory lecture of the chapter, that is the definition which I have taught you. In question number 1 we have 7 parts. In that, first, second and third will be your homework, as it is very easy. You have to solve, as I will solve 4, 5, 6 and 7 number. So without wasting the time, let us start. They told us to solve. Here one fraction, this fraction is subtracted from the first fraction, that is we are having the subtraction of two fraction numbers. And how to subtract? Let me show you. Here they have given us unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominator are not same. So what you will do? You will take the LCM of these two fractions, denominator, and LCM of 11 and 15, because in 15's table 11 does not come, while in 11's table 15 does not come. So we will simply multiply it, and whatever the number will be coming, that will be our LCM. 15 tens are 150 plus 15 ones are 15. So 150 plus 15 is 165 will be our LCM. Now we will make two fractions, both the fractions we will multiply it to become 165. So 11 to multiply to become 165, it should be multiplied by 15. So definitely we will be multiplying 15 above also. Same way, 15 to make it 165, we will multiply it by 11. So numerator also we will multiply by 11. So our fraction will become 15 11s is 165 and 15 9s is 135. And 11 4s is 44. So our answer will be 135 minus 44 divided by 165. 135 minus 4 is 131. 131 minus 40 is 91. So our answer is 91 divided by 165. Very easy, right, students? Now let us move to fifth number. Fifth number is 7 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Here we are adding three fractions. Definitely here also they are unlike fraction. So we will take LCM of the denominator. And how to take LCM of the denominator? We will take the three numbers, that is 2, 5 and 10, and try to take the prime factorization of these three number. 2 ones are, in 2's table 5 doesn't come, so 5 will remain as it is. 2 5s are 10. Now here it is 5, so we will take 5. 5 ones are and 5 ones are. Till we get 1 as the remainder, we will continue the prime factorization. Now we will multiply these two number, that will be our LCM. 5 2s are 10. 10 will be our LCM. So I will write 10 over here. Now to make it 10, here it is already 10, so I will multiply it by 1. To make it 10, I will multiply it by 2, so our numerator also by 2. Here to make it 10, I will multiply it by 5, so numerator also 5. So 7 ones are is 7 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 5s are 15 divide by 10. And now we will add 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26 divided by 10. This will be our answer, 26 divided by 10. But students, here also we can also cancel out again. I can write 5 2s are and 13 2s are 26. 5 2s are 10 and 13 2s are 26. So 2 will cancel out. So our answer will be 13 divided by 5. Don't forget students, if it is cutting out, if it is cancelling out some numbers, you must cancel out, then only you will write the number. Again, the answer which was in fourth was a proper fraction, but here it is improper fraction. And whenever there is improper fraction, you will convert it into mixed fraction. As I have told, you will convert it into mixed fraction. And converting mixed fraction, how we convert? Let me try and solve here only. 13, 5. 5 2s are 10. So the remainder is 3. And how to write mixed fraction? We write quotient over here. And what is quotient? 2. Remainder is 3. And divisor is 5. So 2 integer 3 by 5. Let us see if it give us 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 divided by 5. So you can convert it into mixed fraction if it is improper fraction. Now let us move to sixth part. Sixth part is 2 integer 2 by 3 plus 3 integer 1 by 2. Here they have given us in mixed fraction. So first we will convert them and write it into improper fraction and then solve it. So to convert it into improper fraction, what we do? 3 2s are 6 plus 2, that is 8 divided by 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 divided by 2. So we have to add two fractions. Again 3 and 2, it does not goes in each stable. 2 doesn't goes in 3 stable and 3 doesn't goes in 2 stable. So what we will be doing? We will be multiplying both to get the LCM. And what is LCM? 3 2s are 6. Now to make it 6, I have to multiply it by 2. So numerator also by 2. To make the 2 as 6, we have to multiply it by 3. So numerator also by 3. So 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21. So your answer will be 21 plus 16. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. Divide by 6. Again, here we are having improper fraction. So let me solve it in rough. 37. 6 6 are 36. So remainder is 1. So our mixed fraction will be quotient, remainder and divisor. 6 integer 1 by 6. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. 37 by 6. So we got our answer 6 integer 1 by 6. Hope you are understanding, students. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is having 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8. Again they have given us in mixed fraction. So we will convert it into improper fraction and then subtract. So 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17 divide by 2 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 divide by 8. Now in 2's table 8 is coming and in 8's table 8 is also coming. So our LCM will be 8 only. But to make this 8, I have to multiply it by 4. So numerator also by 4. Here already 8, so I will multiply it by 1. So numerator also by 1. 17 2s is 34 and 34 2s is 68. So 17 4s is 68 minus 29. Subtracting 68 minus 29, what we get? 68 minus 9, I will get 59. 59 minus 20, I will get 39. 39 divided by 8, which is also in improper fraction. So we have to convert it in mixed fraction. So I will put 39 over here and divide by 8. So 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 7. And how we write in mixed fraction, we write quotient. Quotient is 4, remainder above, remainder is 7, and divisor is 8. And then check again also, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 7 39, divide by 8. So we have solved our 4 parts, 4 5 6 and 7 parts. 1 2 and 3 you have to solve the same way. Here you don't have denominator, so it will be 1. Here you don't have denominator, so it will be 1. And here already they have the denominator, you have to just take the LCM. So that will be your work you have to do on your own. We will meet with new lecture, new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.